Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa ben.
All right, and ifiada the 5th day in the month of February 2020. Trading pon the acheye. Emrason say yede sedupi the ebra bia wo bia wo hwe and enwumre. Nyamisraw na onka homeden the Michael Nana Adumako yemfa seda emfa ema Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center. So yare bia no bra na ontumi emwo. Yebetena si na afi yasin konwa adi nkomo na efia de maka kiro sa afi be se wo sika semtimi gina yie na tumi aboa ama ye be end the year 2021 no adon say subo aka say yes me hwe sinupi on Kumawood television no aboa me ama tumi sika sem yi ama afi mu enema atumi akoyi ede ama ye senye sika bia na yedie kebu o ha ye de to ho da chinti ayase penifo se ahonhene nti na ya na ejamore enye sika bia na yedie ho kiro se kra sika bu ho so de to na emre papa pa mu no watumi ayusu sika no na de be ya pa ne se o checheni ana obi ya adwuma mfie du sin a wo retirement na afi na o je pension pay akoto ne danso ana se bi kura no a o de akoto block na ha adwen pa de be ya pa so betene kuma so otrankran takrade waye adwuma ton ne ma adigwa na nso no bebewi akiri okomro abron kokora abremu no na unni de eda ho na watumi e de ahwe ho wo sori a na manfo shops na agigibie drobe ne wakaka faizo wa ulumai still raso twika no e die ntia wan so ne ma yie nti otumu se papa no wa gopa so still na oda so to bi taxi mu a wotwie no enti ene fiada bia no ibenya mre be minute adu kwaduasa na ye di nkomo afa kwa papa fa so a ibetumi esika na aboa ama yenso no etumi edi atena se benyamre na yene the former national president ede ma managers a omo ewo credit unions mu ewo my Ghana ora Kingsford usu ansa ne on na Garden City radio and Garden City credit unions manager ofia ha benyamre na yene no edi nkomo after that no na fi Nana Agri Eshen a senior communication team member of the NPP, Ofia Sanso, and a several Sababu, a Ashanti regional administrator for the NDC, and so why Benyamre na yetumi Edin Komo na Enyagro, Zalibe 940, and at the Apex Court Supreme Court, Equat Nasia. Na de na ewanwa ene se enra to anim se enano ukuada so no na the John Dramani Mahama lawyers ama court no nyante yese omo third witness a ombe so omo de ba mu obo ama nsem nie no etumi ekọ eso etumi ede ema nyina no ene se Dr. Pastor White ena afi nso no Johnson asedun kati omo ene di kan ko ye witness ede ma the petitioner John Dramani Mahama court ede she ene beto dwa se Rachel Joseph Metal Nunu ono ene Pastor White ena na omo nyina no e with a strong room of the electoral commission obra na coalition no air course 2020 December 7th elections no nti nei papa no ye beto dwane se ne ho mfa no nti na e wo se otrani fi ana bebi ogya yarehwe no na omu etimi eno no via zoom na omu etimi toto na no na odene witness etimi eba wa sha ase no ano na wo se witness statement 32 pages another paragraphs na ode ekoda court wa second respondent lawyer akoto ampao na wo se odoso ansakra na yakọ nsam no ankasa edie no cross examination no emu ohwe ya no hunu se wo se court no extract out 23 out of the 32 paragraphs a omo ede eba court no no na etwe ne twintwan ono ne ka odisia na the lead counsel ede ema John Dramani Muhammad the petitioner so tejikata so aka omo kan na we aka na justice so abamu a enko wi achi no omukọ ahomiji mo san ebaaye no na the justice no eka ene se out of the 23 lawyer kutampa pese court no ebotu go free se otu se na we se eba nta bibi won so kora no a enam se Pastor White ebe kan se minti na ma ono no omugina so a omo enso de nyanse bi mbeso be kan court no ahye se yenyi enum enfam frim 4 5 6 7 and 18 yentumi enyi enfam frim to must track it out the akano the witness no ebetumi agina so ama mo de abusa no nsem ewo the apex court of the land benyamre na yedi ho enkomo enso ewo ho emrepam hyene so say 15 members of parliament na me no ka say omo enya yare a ye fe no COVID-19 56 other stars and we adwuma ewo the Ghana's parliament enso enya yare ni bi including some of my own colleagues journalists are omo adwuma ewo mrahye bidwamu na no and the Speaker of Parliament, Aban Sumani Babin, at the Atuja Hremu, say, and a quasam and a credi woman, and he said, Adana and I, parliamentarians no crown, Bimbus bear, and you be on Squana, Omunyan quite test and a cranny who said, Omunya Biana Munyabi, Omonia Bino, Omon Trefi. Now, in day because of the Yarenintino, Parliament ever cost sentence twice in every week, twice, a banada, any Yawada, and on Bequatna. See, if you know, will be on Trefi, now on Shen who you said about Yareno. Into me ente asisi ibenyamre na yedi ho enkomo ewu efia ha mura Kingsford usu ansa atnase e mana kwa ba na afi yenshasi ni nkomo yesika semu kan fa so no mi betimi aso sika yi na etumi aboa oye financial expert ntimi nya omu se ya na eho ehia pa hyene nso se wadwenkyere 0202668464 0202668464 WhatsApp benyamre na yetumi akenkan edi ama once again Kumawood TV live on Facebook, live on YouTube. Kumawood TV me edi say Mike edi entra na waje nchane so emrantem emfa emaye Mr. San akwaba ye nua ibi aboko de nyamana do edwum boko kakra iguso after COVID no niema ekosan enye bad me come say after COVID after first wave enye bad ene ni msanka afina nkanema sa be peja sana nyina ni adweno no sanka ehu se kofu mi nanka nyame edi be kofri na second wave asaba nanso nyame adum credit of writers kra some ho so na bodwa for save ai the customer so many problem kwa na se bodwa for na take off from a na affect mo so moduma yes nye bodwa for nkwa na mo yeduma okay ene big time for nyina yeduma o sa na ya no mo nte yumni e mu yoni bi ya na ese ni bodwa for nkwa na yeduma da bi oh okay because ya credit union dia mo dia nka mo dia mo ne ye ayi for ase for da people big timers are there sa e bia yan so e bia na ja na aba na e bia wo kono wase ya na da beto se but yes ka kete for e bia akase for no mo commercial ne ade ana now ene akase mo bre yeduma o sa akase mo bre yo well my member we inform once credit union on term maintain say credit union be good yes headintia yeah he share solid share e dey adwuma no e solid number 2 you need a customer to say near for okay oh your manager or your counselor both marriage financial counselor everything okay because
customer can walk to you at any time to ask you. Even call you in the night and you respond.
More than a flexible.
It is no more so close.
Me bank be manager no kwa hunumpo.
No.
Na wa mo.
Na ko kura they were for months no go hunu no. They don't go. Ayen here at any time and adwina they will call you and you respond. Enti money dia ho dia you so close. Okay. Enti it difficult to say that will be good. Because your customers always they trust you. Okay. And they bring money. But
my experience be a good pain.
Oh, why not?
Oh, okay. Me head on TV then.
Oh, you have few ones be a Timaguda. And the head
now, Ingwa and Komuno. I want us to look at savings. Okay. Why to save, when to save, and how to save. Okay. The answers here how to save. Anna, yes.
My statement you will be people call me. Savings is an anchor to your financial happiness.
It's an anchor to your financial happiness. Yes.
Savings any such a beer. Usika seventy in your club. Beer on your savings, no matter how much you earn a day. Eventually you come back to zero.
Wow.
Obia, no matter how much you gain. So when you save, we are then you come back to zero.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes. In the savings, Messasi is human blood.
I will say, a woman,
any crown, only quinipedia. It isn't you. It's only pedia more. So savings is the same. When you don't save, you are poor.
Oh, sir. But I say behind the investment.
You are poor. If you don't save, you are poor. The investment will end one day, and you are going to depend on your savings. Survive.
Okay. And
they say, we are saving investment. Go and do it. One day you need the savings to augment it. COVID by ye. If you move investment at local area B, if you don't have savings, you are poor. In as much as we say investment, yes, depend on investment, but savings is a blood. Every day you need a blood to survive. It is a more genuine one, you will not survive. The same thing. Say when your savings are, I'm telling you, you are poor.
You better like I said, you will be an only be crowd with save we are in our before.
Sure.
Come on,
sir. Now, depending how you define or the four, I would define or the four in terms of despite in terms of case okay. But you want the four be or survive when you're comfortable or you already life come or share the mark come when you may become a dark or course who come through savings. A lot. I am one of them.
Wow.
Yes. Many papa be out here you. Say, of course, school near 12 fees no yaji. No, I don't have it.
Okay.
A year could do at that time, no, do long back and you called your blue or the chimman on the discover. The crack can you say we are. And one more at the choir, it will be invested. A true savings. And I'm to me a master's degree. And man penubia.
Say we are not unya more because I don't ask financial expert this question. Say so I you any bia. How would you save? Because you can't no.
Let me tell you. We are who save our enson. One save our enson, so save. And so now tomorrow we enjoy out of it. And then so by chance than say, and soon do you are going to suffer the whole of your life. Life in our suffer. By next can I say, and so it ye nemum and so on. You gain later than today. In the name no suffer, save, and enjoy at the end of your life.
Wow.
Once I'm telling you, from this day after your pension, one we went to a job. Easily, because when you mark on Maglobi, what do I say? But who save at this time? We are going to depend that savings after you are at home. Say after your pension no. Ona for nyina kwanda eswatete o. Bring more nchebi.
Yeah.
O ma na no mu di agronya they all gone away.
Na osika sam kura ya
na kura no. So because ko mo di mo. Nti on say in your married they are good here then so do be when the money is not there automatically they run away. And automatically you lose part of how people are you people jaw. Wow. At the time also the crowd demand if because we didn't say what demand if and do how we die. How will you survive?
Last week na me name Mr. Safo area me sit down obi frame me. No ba kro busa say ade na katua ni sua. Ebia na ode hwem kola no school. Ebia na dey utilities. Even what me say. Okay.
And that person, no, what I'm say, upon all this, what do you say? 20 a month. You 26 from his car, so on.
Okay.
For 26 car, the first one. Who the come on? Elson. Do you free? And say like we will tight.
Tight, no. We
to pay your tithe and get your blessing.
Okay.
What do I say?
Okay.
Life no eye na montuo and that savings the don't nante me nya increment bi amfa kam salaries wunda.
Okay, so mo ye bosu
one bosu adwuma increment ba amfa kan God can be dia manasa but don't fan kan ho a you still survive on that amount.
But I say sometimes so look good.
Looking good doesn't mean so much.
Okay.
You be na look good. You be bro mu je che wo na so doesn't look good. O mu look good.
Okay.
But what you to be but the way you manage yourself, you cut them down. You eat better food. You look good. Better food na for us. You che gusto.
Yeah.
Any better. But maybe I will think say oh, me call restaurant a good deal. Saying what is this? 30 cedis. Meanwhile, you use 10 cedis at home. Now the know you need. It's better than that money. Difference no. See.
I was here doing Kumawood TV live on Facebook and YouTube. I just say 0202668464. Mene Ura Usu Ansa and ye doing Kumawood former president at the credit union. The Garden City Radio and a credit union can see a fire. Let me ask you because I got this for a credit union. Say you Ghana in a credit union. Or no, and a manager. Yeah, savings. For your tebra, if I was a Musa Fabrana, me Musa and Farmer. Benjafi, Yenche. When do I have to save? But Ben was at me. Which I said, Miss Yiska.
At any point in time, beer is cut on some. It can be the night. It can be the whatever. 10 beers cut on some beer.
Oh, let me cast a beer. Me Jumanoa. Ma maybe I'm a sky beer and found what on your mouth will be a central market. No. Abena be message is we never was a tifia mamma crack did.
Sir, see a fat your man from today. The problem with Africans is in Shasiantem. Neighbor say in and you can't. And said, dear. Nobody said, dear, no shapuna. The middle son is shapuna and you know. You know, to me.
Okay.
And it's a center, one of Moko school. No. Someone 10 cities a day. Catch up was on Sewi. I think 20 pesos a day. On Sewi. The more oils are now a part of the person. The way you on free home. Bible son of Bible cano. So I have a friend of converse. No, you know, free home. But one child friend of choir, you cannot. And the service also started now. That they need. You started. Just send them.
Nyabra why you make question answer.
That be.
But you market one okra.
One who is en question. That time say
wow.
You start from there.
Okay.
And if social assessor na kakra de kwa. We won.
Omo tonton niam de ya na likely so meet me asem. But e bosu me adwuma no. Bosu me so ya dey asem mama na say e na bank ma akoto account.
It's not true. You cannot tell me say within the month obia ancha one city kora wom. You cannot tell me.
So cho bi bintia ba na so
good.
No baby.
Wood ye no. In fact, e bi anya budgeting. Nti ya be shim. Wood ye no. Wo ska onya no. I also would shim say at least me cho bi ade.
Okay.
Ya do ye go plan no nti me de 10. and then 60.
10 and the same.
10 no.
10 for tight. Okay.
Fee, the Mayado is 10%.
Okay.
Basically 10%.
Okay.
The academy.
Well, if you are now wood, you know, and I don't bear any 10% the best one. But if you are not yet, you know, 10% now, so we'll be all having 10% down soon because where did you a year or you see, those things now be part of us. And we'll be on Ghana, will be on Juma. The program be on a person, baby.
Because we don't plan our life, we don't plan ourselves. That is why me say wedding. It become an invitation to that. You know, say this month no wedding me and Sunny.
Okay.
It be probably last month, you know, my issue. So last month there's no day.
Okay.
My mentor come. I'll push it the following month.
Okay.
And the make a year no. We me kwa my bonds are 20 cities. No change. No matter how much you give to me. But if I put yourself then I will do 20 cities. If you know my cockram and 10 years.
Okay.
About what I mean called freshman.
Okay.
You have my church. Come
on, be pursue. Say be our friends be or you start to go for us, you know. No. Me a baby pushing me. I plan to leave. Give me free fear. I'm say, we. That's my focus. Okay. So that is when do we save? At any time.
At any time, BS cartons.
Also, do we see? Like, how do we save them?
How? Well, the medical actually said, we fear money box to be first what if you.
Okay.
That's the first half one. Consequence be tampo.
Yeah.
20 pesos.
That 5 hours me the koto tofe.
For the fagum. Afeso a papa am credit no me say am. Afeso no bie. And you marvel. You will shocked how much when you was asking.
I think a footballer was Samojan. And the moon 31st, you know. Obi ne susu box sir, and it wasn't easy.
Was and time here 20 cities 2 cities be oda koba not a go because no was can try you soon rough do buy ya na the good after so bi so a Abraham credit no be tia mo come na yes a feel credit was it hey sana wiska
wow
the match so bio obi o team bia enya high dine please start save your rent fee every day every month
no sisubio
Chasier, let's save rent amount on every day, every month.
So we said AB, I mean, said this month, and I'm rent house. The March, my kutia.
Yes.
March, my babu be 8,000 hour kutia.
Also, Ghana, no, you rent monthly.
Yes.
You know, 2 years.
Yes.
1 year.
And then they announced 2 years, March, and was Uncle Costa.
Ben or so we cases come for.
What could you loan?
Why do you go for loan? Why? It is part of your daily expense. They would be an outside account.
Oh, well, it is a bosom swan. Yet, till maybe a month be an 100 cities for rent. No,
yes.
Bosom to be an also 100 cities as rent.
As rent.
So that I feel no cost on one
interest, interest, and also interest.
Yeah.
And do save what? Interest free. I feel no. Not a equivalent. Why be Brussels?
Mr. Uswede a key for will be you. Say them say a dying one. 2 years. No, the 2 years neighbor. So one day. 2 years and they be one day, and come away 2 years. Yeah. And if I say divided by days I will every day, who dear that party be yes, rent no. I will say who said no, that part where rent was also because they eat every day. You did eat every day. I was here, Commander Head. When we said, as well, Mr. Uswa came, minimum dear, the number of people at me as I did. Say, oh, dying. What could you have more than up a bear after what could you rent? The following month, now I was asking, I said, me save for the 2 years, you know, as I to hope. I mean, travel home, Sima, me ba, you better also. Rapport, you better see. The
bi ayana me wade bi ayana me kase me nia malam anaso for comfort me kase wo mbehwe wa brabo mbehwe wo shebrem mbehwe wo dachi e bi ni wi ase da apart from me nya me soma ebo bit me ka tira wo say e se be gafra o yabod ya mbe daniama ya wo duabo no different ya papa ma ya tamfo enti sa solid dine na esi ho no oko to collection 100 billion no bi to bob ko sha solid dine ho e bright ma atnata fo na lofo dia ono wa shira che wa ko to collection 1 billion ya hwetwe atwere no ya de wo ana za obi tumi kokofa
atwere yare no ya wone ma ne bi wo ho a ewabusuya no mo na ye kase ewabusuya mo anya se ewabusuya no da bia te say bia wo be ba santeman mo anaka ma mu ha obi teme wo akola kete obadwene ho wonte ase because se wo kokoji motia ba fia awaso wo motia no so da bia me kase unwu ya wonim dia wo benya
skatole nsem anaase
sika bia ni ho to nsem anaase ya dwaman ni ya ni bere mama ba ko so aye friend ko man mo odu eastern region e ko wo ba bia ya wo ho TV so easter no wono ma na mete
atibie
aye 0245 77 18 01 0245 77 18 01 ana ebia 0200 797 887 0200 797 887 ya kana ego screen na so
okay ya mama makwaba ediaba program ayatu this Stardom
a TV reality show
Ebaso live Kumawood TV
audition
we oba anase we berima we abofra ana opanyini a wotimi tonyom wotimi to asoronyom wotimi to wiase nyom wotimi to nyom bia wotimi to bia
asa na onimsa acting so wonim ye acrobatics so wugina mu bia na
we obia we upcoming artist we underground rapper
enie akonya na ba mouse rana be kire achede anyankopon dia chao
bomodin ase wode ho baba bedom Stardom second audition Ebaso nyankopon ya adoma 19 February 19th no Friday baby a wo bia obehye Kumase Ahojo Atenga Junction baby a Kumawood TV ewona hopepepe na yeye Stardom audition 2
rana babeki o forms ku 100 Ghana cedis
forms no me say 100 Ghana cedis per fabajo Stardom bam
for number na that screen is no
na wo de frɛ na bra na be register na yemfa won ka Stardom no ho na won so be superstar 0547 160380 Francesia
na ye mo nchiremu
ye kasa Stardom na waje so say adum achede Stardom adum achede Stardom.
All right, I am Akwaba and Famra Sinupi live on Kumawood television. The theater, Ibes Medu no Diasa, a seahor na afia to me to your home for Isika Semo Qualifier so bit me a D, and Obrani ye bra. Young conquer bedding to others. Obra, who's a Ebia Mamma Midi na more for everybody the year. And as a man midi intino. Later on, I become a burden more for Seno. I don't know, I was what woman one mia na afia nibre. Any do two on those things no a chance yes ba in the past term no Ura Kingsford who answer a manager GCR Credit Union former president at the Credit Union Association of Ghana na no Edin Komo. We say good evening sir. I like this show very much. The point is that does that mean that we should even save our kids school fees every day? Okay. So I think that a amount for a guinea much interest. Hi, kindly ask him, those of us who are working monthly with a penny salary, how can we save? That is our challenge. Okay. We say, hello, sir. My problem has to do with TNT. Do I have to save TNT also in a day? Christian Edupoku ede ode abanonom Jan also defeated Chiman. I say he is my mate. He's my mate. A good discussion this evening. I'm enjoying it. Jan, okay. I don't know Jan. The by Jan. But also you're the mate. And one son, let me say you're the mate to SSR. Now, what didn't say 0202 668464 Fabra. Na yanken kai emfa emma. So well as any Nana Ishen, Monya study. Yes, manager. Afi yahwe when at any point. How? The about Sembia. Also yemfa bi kwa bi susu box ne yemfa bi mumu na yade. And wa be ka kire ye say me tua me rent 2 years March. I should start saving for another 2 years we know from the same month of March. Where then do I save? Because that is the issue. Most of people and say because the man who is not me production manager can say I don't know what the man could be. Where then do you save?
May I recommend it? Creating an amount. A stable, a safe, and everything.
And yes, no.
From my age, 15 years in different trade unions. And I come to see say, a baby, I am too friendly to you. What how how? And yet because of money into the war. No. Not because of interest, nay, almost come first of no. They are there because of you. And you may be flexible. You can tell them whatever you want. And they will help you.
Okay. Until baby will be sure if they be a sampa. They want to credit you be no where and also with Mrs. Can.
Where they are, then maybe Rural Bank is there.
Okay.
May I advise for to told them. I don't know any very risky. And they say Rural Bank in New Chrome, they will be our one.
Na adam no enye me de me to a ya na mayikaka se na enye de
risky
me hian
risky
se be yire ntia na ana nkola bi
ya to no betimi ayira the ma credit banks na ebuano no they are there to protect Canada beto onya to akoda onya de ba pe a wo kokoda e burden se be hwe ni yi e de amount what I say but the one them on there ehu jakra bit mato amanache
okay
akromfo bit mawia bibia bit masi enti kakra onya no fa kopa ba bi e hoye se credit union ni ho a fa ko Rural Bank bi no bank bi e obi fa ko si ho okay bebo
na obi busa se indi ne ba school fees so no also
sure. Look me say the enti ehyan because we don't plan so about me say about be out fees amri the next 3 months fees na unim why don't you pay towards it? I don't know 3 months now, but so.
Not our man.
I was all pay benefits. No, wouldn't him? And the shall say ne pay 3 benefits. In fact, take credit in the so. Me who's over here Facebook no okay? Pictures no okay video no sa. I'm a shell man. Money no. Tika na wo shell sa no. Tika. Na shell sa no. Facebook, photo 5 cities, abandon 10 cities. Can do 5 days for 10 days. Now, so no, that could do so. Oko load so 20 cities no. It was someone no spend more than 50 cities.
But I said, and I said, it was easy. I was having fun.
Fun at the detriment of future. Who need J now features on what children. Because fun now, when you after 10 years, no, the one last one they don't need way more. After some years, this fun is nothing.
Okay.
But that brand that's always car. You live happily, comfortably. When you crack check, because one night the time when you be but somebody one yarn to her, it do something. I don't know.
Good evening, Sir Mike. Nana Kuntunchi from Mampong say a nice show. But please ask him why are they not taking it upon themselves to educate Ghanaians about these things? Financial expert, so be a dear man. name be kofom
no crapa
they my crime na de be kofom
no crapa I can't some we quite you
okay
how we could manage it now months from why come na mu
but no
like who be a programming Shedipa airshare across Ghana even beyond
yeah
nti back peno for 30 minutes no when you don't want biti
yeah
nti social responsibilities no at least when you crack then you bet in to help
okay
you also from the crab bit man
okay I say I'm so touched with the message Thomas Sunyane and I wade aba okay Tommy yada say Isaac Odru I say I'm watching the show please how do I get in touch Isaac I think if you are not in so contact no but order for number to
okay 0244 96 90 75
0244 96 90 75 okay as good even say the man has spoken well but is he really and his entire friends following what he's saying? It is not easy, not at all.
Because you are not committed to do. Issue your commitment. You need commitment. You don't have that focus. But who focus? And who focus on? Me focus is at the me okay. Indeed, me they do when they say because me nya adie we. Me check it. Me don't be able to 2 years in the I'll get it. Because 2 years every day I think about it. Every day. Until other 2 years no now ready.
So yeah fancy. At the end I'll be chat to the man because we have more days to talk about them. Me say I feel because me name I have for no benefit from one nyamia aduma mu nim de no because at times that am dey say office nko enye few people dey bit me aba office abegnya nim de no na aka ho ya de betwa to e de ama obi a ohwe na
nyam ni twa to tia one say
good
yen credit union for there we are there for obia
okay
eni akes for ne bo eni nkuma ne enti ye twa substitute in credit union I garden city cooperative credit
because the guys mo yen century juma
your branches be 9
I wa Ghana
oh yes
o Kumasi
you mienu Kumasi you mienu Amanse West
oh okay
your back on main office wa ho na mo pa to oko o inche ho a your back office back
oh okay
your back man son kwanta
okay
baby be apino nya be 4-5 months and your back o Jeniso and so Amanse West wa o nya be 10 years and they was for say o ho na po bi discuss sia
okay
ho jo na ye be bo mo sika no guru no a garden city credit
oh
e bi enu wa nya na
okay the oka ye no sisu bi ma me wo say ye ha dan ye ba school fees no
say wo ha dan o school fees pay the school fees day by day month by month the bi obedi die wo daily expense no fa shem some school fees me da me high no
okay
fa shem but me to me check that be kan fa so be sida abra wo nkura so sida na wi
e ma sa amre no e pe mra ma no be chere sa de no
so simple
kwan be fa do betumi asidan
simple kra
but me be di kan ba office ha be je sa nchiri nguna ya ma na
yes simple kra anya din
wow
but to see abra before baby you know was come back and pass some here you ask yourself how but no nya wi
right I was Kingsford Owusu ansa former president at the credit union so Ghana nyina mo managers oba Ashanti Regional Garden City credit union ho na odi ejuma me say me financial expert na nche bo ansa me the Prudential Bank manager so betena ha na afi ye din ko me hekwan be fa so bit to sikasem ye na etimi abo ahase na rent no enye den a October na aso bo so kwa March ya eso tutubi guo na wankwaje besia em say banks no kwa manager bi ka tell me say oba bank na so baje besia akotua o renter ya na mo de ma kwa na atwetwam kakra bi ko mu say wo head ni vision say oje besia ekokutua rent eti yen hyase na yen fa die komo ayedi no There is a benefit of watching our show. Sidopi mi twa me ho aba me ba manyefo na tena se ebenyamre na yato aso ora usansa yada se ya ba sisia.
Okay, ya mama kwaba e dia ba program ayatu this Stardom,
a TV reality show
e baso live e wo Kumawood TV
audition.
We yoba anase we ye berima we ye abofra ana opanyini a wotimi tonyom wotimi to asoro nyom wotimi to wiase nyom wotimi to nyom bia wotimi to bia
asa na onim sa acting so nim ye acrobatics so gina mu bia na
we obia we upcoming artist we ye underground rapper
enie akonya na ba mouse rana be kire achedi anyankopon edi achao
bomodin ase we de ho baba be dom Stardom second audition e baso nyankopon ya adoma 19 February 19th no eye Friday baby a wo bia obehye Kumase ahojo Atenga Junction baby a Kumawood TV e wona e hopepepe e na yeye Stardom audition 2
rana ba beke o forms eye ku 100 Ghana cedis
forms no me say eye 100 Ghana cedis pe fabajo Stardom bam
for number na that screen is no
na wo de frɛ na bra na be register na yemfa won ka Stardom no ho na won so be superstar 0547 160380 Francesia
na ye mo nchiremu
ye kasa Stardom a na waje so say eye adom achede Stardom eye adom achede Stardom.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're bad.
Brother, and not so beautiful.
Not tell me about Michelle see about Queen. Why me say?
Bra, said your time about Misha. It's your Jimmy me fearful. And you're the about ever so.
Really, do this offending now.
Bra, some make us me the time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. What run it time about Misha?
And you no go, dear, no more to I want to meet any deal. What run it time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark or down for any aquada when you feel do me and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. Shasta Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answered.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever the other ziva a woman. Ever trouble.
FDA ashe dwade nkwatso mo agi atomo se eye.
What did people see?
And yet, drone, a drone near Sayad. Axco, Epa Caps, my team, enemy cocoa, and a hammy baby, a yin in every home.
Me would me and your bay. Men so met me and ask go her back up so him.
But me and no bedroom. Only ask P her back ups. I know the mammy sis Yadi in a free Miss One. Mamma, what Tommy?
Ask P her back up so he no manager. But soon the BBS you. Ask F her back up so a boosty immune system.
Agent also see the Biachane be checking home.
Mrs. in the account.
Ask P her back ups. I bet one more sister come out.
2 passes a one mama what.
Also, they show me.
Hey! Ask P Herbal Capsules. Famame, Mr. Mekwanumwe.
Unyanje dino.
You want it?
You better be
Ask no pay. Enya ewo Herbal any pharmacy shop to do na mu.
Bia. Da onye fie do me no appeal for any oba or man for intimi mfasa adu.
Sana.
Amaya wode foforo.
FDA ahwehwesa ejodi enkwato yi mo agi atomo sei.
Adi. Oi.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could brew. Who said that will complain with sissini cocoa. Epe ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and neck. You could brew. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. A yoko ni sisia redrink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Rotsnasi. Namen save.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brand. Na yeme.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wasese me brabo buye.
Sudi, me bi komo me mami adwamwa.
Hey. What dance ye aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa judi.
What kaki yada.
And Sandre, obie timinumbi. I just attend for. One woman for down for. And the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ahwehwɛ saa adwade nkrato yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ.
Right, ebusia yensan emu akwaba emfamra Sinupi live on Kumawood television, also live on Facebook and YouTube. Me once again edit Sir Mike. Sir Wallace Abebio, a administrator at the NDC in Ashanti region. Atlantic. So Wallace akwaba.
Ya dan.
Oho ye de.
Me ho ye na me ada Roma. Yo.
The radiasi. And then Nana Agri Eshen, or a security expert, regional communication team member of the NPP. Nana Kwaba.
Yeah, Papa.
Apumboko dear.
Nyamia da Robert. Nancy na ye honam do doye kakra nyamia do.
Enyebre.
Yebre.
Na still na won't he.
Yeguso. We the second time we the nya de bebo yiye. Yeguso ye chase 1992 ma ye mpeni 4 years ye ntwentwen so ne ya chase 96 be pim se mre we. Yeguso.
Na video one te he na be ko NDC.
Oh they be
we the members be say I this my. Enye NDC say. Don't so ye wo do so anu adun so pa connect.
Okay.
Na one ka say o ti hu so a.
You money.
And the bi also asem no wa wuntimi nka enkrofo timi kan ma. Me de me kan e ba sa enyimani menu a.
Yeah.
Minimum NDC, minimum
NPP. Sure.
Me wo party, me wo radio communicators.
Yeah.
Nti mi menya anke apa radio communicators association. NDC for eco radio, NPP for eco radio, CPP for ye nyina kabo. Ni e boaboa ye ho.
That's right.
Me tina ne so ni enye ne o.
Achepa.
Enye ne ono started with the Dubu Ahin mo. Dubu Ahin. Movement for freedom and that almost started BBS. And in 1990s almost push ya na ma Rollins a year constitutional constitutional 1992 1993. If you look at somebody as far back as 1992 he was with the NPP as a
but you all know and I yes sir because me have lived in Western region before and NPP back power 2017 no. Ubu okra no ye constituency communication officer.
That's right.
Now when you a big time job our Ghana Gas. When you a big time job our baby. But when you are Santa region, what they say because more doors on the door.
Say Mike.
Isn't that reality say say make points.
Sticker offering a call Adi. Maslow.
For Santa region.
Kodia.
Very few.
Maybe actually
very few. A whole regional secretary. Sampai. A whole regional secretary. Abattoir. Any of the man was a board member.
Kwasiabo. Enye adi o. Maslow. Enfia na call.
Yeah.
Kodia. Enfia na call. Nana B, one called National Service.
Yeah.
Adi.
Yeah.
And San Oko.
Yeah. And John Kuma.
Enfia na call.
Yeah.
I didn't know we were starting 1992. I just want to qualify though.
I suppose so. I be a month. One yes, I
did. Can I make us a Kwasiabo? Some previous ABS Katia, Onusini, AB Godfather, Onibi. And so all your money there, Omba Muhuno.
Okay. Nana, Godfather, no fine.
Oh,
the Godfather, the NPP, the party.
With the party, no, Mama. You can't remember. I started the whole thing from Asukwa.
Yeah, no, I know that records were hot, but so we need the best on Sunday. I said politics. I didn't.
Regional contest. I mean, honorable Kennedy Kamkoe, 2003. He won. I was the second. 2006. Meaning it's called regional contest. He won, but those days, SF1 small say Kokoda knew where the Biasia. Massa, what the new word the Biasia now about?
And one fan of Godfather.
No, why you? Oh, there was no me say yes, some party, yeah, Juma party. No, you are SF Mankwa, Mankwa. You are Dan Kokubo, very nice man. Honorable Dr. Bafuboni. Then Honorable Kofi Juma.
Okay.
There are people out to say yes.
What just say? Kofi Juma, Honorable Kofi Juma Abomudino. Omonkola, Omofa Kofi Juma as Godfather Yinano, and they be more drew Nyagro.
But the point is that
get a Godfather.
The point is that consistency be will be no. Any the dynamics are a woman. So okay. But I quite believe say ye Juma party ni die. Position no e gu so aye cheche ni kakra. Eye dan ya nyame adom. Nyame be ya adom.
Yom pa
eye dan nyame be ya adom. Unye bia. Eno ntre se unye Juma ma party no. Ai o servo mu nyina. So na untumi.
Ana make say.
Aye Juma ye.
Se wala so no. Ono so servo and mu nyina so still.
Etina me say. Yeah, was me the me kasa say radio communicate.
Okay.
It is say NDC.
No MVP. Munyina no.
Obi a waye dwuma bia ne party ba power.
I was say pushing.
No mo pushing.
Right.
E ko baby.
Ba we hope for sure. Say nyame be ya.
Me da say.
Kumawood TV small at the platform. MPP for.
But if only be shepa. Nti
they will do
it. Say na do dan kwaku for the president for 3 months. They work. But 3 months munu e so mo be man. Then obusu mi ansa. Okay. Many dey call records mu say maybe
right. This week has been COVID-19. The worst of it all, and it's the people we call them honorables. Na omonye yare ni bi na omo e de ko na sibedwam. All because somebody will give you an excuse baby say be enter asum papa say is the numbers no. Atepenti anko na say o say pass e bia and this for be fair so and MPP for be fair so and you have MP so manya rebi moko parliament speaker say omunya parliament ba afi so ya na yehu do no so enko ye test no ba 50 enko ye test no they have to do it ba kan person ba ko but they have to do it again almost sitting na no ye no Tuesdays to Fridays no what so e dey about 2 days Tuesdays and Thursdays e musu ko kasenka sa MPs na omunya COVID na de call parliament na nka emma so twi emfa emma omo on COVID ye MPs ni fru a Ghana for nso a enso ye nimra no so bebre e wo ho na in 4 minutes COVID-19 observing the protocols I was say ye day mentio
hene me da si be papa na me offer dem me ni chia o radio so be gidi say offer so me na na say yasan ababeshi mo ha ye shia radio bebre so ni TV bebre so na minchia ofuri krom constituency ye be constituency minchia on papa same as to infantman constituency odim se minchi efri ho na ya betra ha ya betra ha bobra na ofuri constituency so executives in the polling station executives in na ya bom so ya adwuma yete fine boni bi anim asomdwe so ho ayedeta ye ni Dr. Mafo edita na chipa timigidi say adwuma pa ye na ye de ma Dr. Mafo na Akufo MPP party no and na di ye bedum pempen so a eti say timi o rehim so say ye besa yere ye ho aye adwuma no ye beto aso na maka ni say so me papa ye Dr. Edward Bafuboni the former MP Asokwa East no so minchia ne papa na yes Dr. Oh, Dr. Ho, Dr. Nyamia Dom, Dr. Oh, Dr. Ho, Nyamia Daroma, Dr. Hoyepa, Dr. Ho.
Is okay, your father.
Oh, no, they be would say, Tete no more party no muno. Ye best rese omo bua party no mo kan sema na ye mmebu na ya ba no e na yakoya asobrache kakra e no ka ho na ya na eniema nkitinkiti bi atoto sin di amaye ba me gidi ye se ni namu no eye nyankopon adom ye behwe se ye betoto eniema ye
na ye COVID
yes ye nko COVID minia wada roma COVID no ma mi nin kan ko parliament house mingin di ye se parliamentarian bi e sheda nim se me wo COVID na me de be kwa san me nuanom me madwene na me kire me nyi ni ye se e betimi aba ne sa e bi obi kura wo honom a na onim se wonya yare ni bi enti me gidi ye se ye mfa no asopamu so na ye nti ase se speaker of parliament ono so ne hihye pa de ba ye se ne yare na ye hu wo wiase afa na ni na no ye momodin na yesu ye hwe ya pomodin se ne sitie nti ye nkase bibia mu no eye se ama se mre we yetimi hu se ye nuanom parliamentarians ni bi se be kafra won atinya sa covid ni bi na ye yare aba wiase afane na nti menyi ni se eye boapaye se omunyim se omunya bi e na omode ko parliament se ye kase ye ma etichafo ana so se ye ma sojafo ye ma policefo na so nko eye tester eye den ya ye benya omo so ewo bi enso obi wo wa no onim e bi ate se aka ne den ansa na ansa de be ka den no so na bi anipa ben wo no so no na omo so enya bi nti begidi ye se eye adepa se yetimi ehu se ye nuanom parliamentarians ni bi enyi bi nti omu ni mra na so sisi ani ehia ne se emra no so mudi so se ombetimi akolantai wo ho na wonum wondura esefata se wonum se ne be ya enkoka afoforo so a aka na baby so eno so eye ma yem hyehye ye enipa ye adwuma o parliament house se emu eduonum nsia enso enya covid ni bi very serious very serious because enye se ebi a parliamentarian bi ene de ma no ebi a ono so ekọ baabi ena ono so konya ye na ono so de bre parliamentarians no ebetimi aba ne sa ebetimi aba nse workers ni bi ena ono so ko pikin no outside no de bre omo nti ni na no yen kambom se omo be hweso mbe no mo nduro na so mo di de quarantine no omo be di quarantine so no mo no nduro na ebetimi asa won yare empaibo aye bono no se de ebe ya omo beto won adwuma so na parliament hyehyɛ so atimi akoye di amaye
utie muntaka na utie speaker muntaka say omo ye and then majority leader say omo ye test no omo koye ye no wa unya bie ye frɛ ka kyerɛw omo ayan from an kan kyerɛw mo no ɛna ɛkyɛ sɛ omo anya bi ra unya bie bia de frɛ ka kyerɛw and then no guti for no convey the message to the speaker. So we have about 8 and I say 15 of your people are omo enya ebie. So they are aware. MPs no are aware say me ya frɛ me nya bi but akosi afrɛ no wanya bi. Na no start on the parliament. That was why I not minister speaker my warning say my last warning to you. My last warning. So some course why the covid now monya na eba hasiya mebu mudin. I don't think some could me a without say minimum some. Then how would even the speaker know to give me warning?
I said this because initially no be now parliament house no na onyanya symptoms no mani hu say wonya bi na mom so one pass speaker e de enhyehyɛ yi ba ya o mu na gitu mu no na eno akire say wo ye MP na wonya bi na wo san parliament house dia na ye boapayo okay na ye boapayo cause enya dia wo say didi agro me dia me gina say e bi asase ne dia na wonim na mom apomdinfo ne guchifo ahwehwem no ma hu say oh wanya bi ya frewa bo amane na o say chenchire mesa ko parliament house dia no kwasem ni ene dia me ni say nipa no enya adwene ene ba ne sa ne say yare na ye ma no asan akosoro
aban ne modern bo ene o mindful na nkasa nso ye modern bo ya de so yare yi the second wave no ama no afri ho no woni je ho
oh perfect in terms of aban ne modern bo there look this man health director
Ajimamenu
no the health minister is Ajimamenu Mr. Kumawood
okay
perfect ejuma oye no pasemini senya bibia dru bia no otumi de kire oman no odi tu oman nanim senya ade ni koni o moma yenhwe ye hu ye ye dru ha o nti moma yenhwe ye hu ye mini asa na ye adwuma sa na ye no nti openi na adwuma na oye ne de no kwasemini me bona baso ankasa na oye adwuma de ama ban nti ne meka ne se aban no famu dia oye wo covid no ho de dana kwa mu kama
okay
onye ba onim se emra president di betu dwa se ye momodin ya na ye ndi ye ho so ye ewo covid no so no na eye nose mask asem any social distancing any ekwa ye be fa so ye be wohoro ye nsa ne ade na yen timemfo no mom ni enimra no so now are you telling me say you want to sit at your home and call president to come and tell you say me be ogronsa maybe president no betimi agina fidie so television so no body de roma we are see afane na ate enti eye me ne wo ya sede say ye di mra no so na sisi ya me ye koye boya ye nam tv so a ye kire sanya niema no esitie na ye gusu a ye politics no so on the ground no me gidi ye say niema hu no ewo car mefo ne ade no enne de metimi akasa nyame adom Ghana for ete asieba enne metimi akasa kane no fo car uba wo se car no se nipa aduonu ne wo ma nipa 20 na bia nipa baye miensa na hyebi eno kra mpo se nipa miensa hyebi ne kase ne nuanom amaka no na mode ye wan na akoye te se enkyere ho bi na mo kyere mo ho ana yare ne kra eni ho na moka ba ena ehya ase kunkum nipa ye yi ni wo TV so na ye di omo sha dakam ye di omo kwasie ye ni ade ne de afa de Ghana fo obi biara atunu ho asi wo se ei asem na ehu nti na ofuka se nipa ne aduonu na waka animu a nipa aduonu ni na hye nose mask.
Okay, one thing na mehu am say onso wa observe bia dodo no ano nose mask no hye no obekasa na oyi atuna bodwisa ase ono kasa wi a na wasan de nose mask no ahye obu onso nose mask no ahye no a the show we say surgical ones any kwan say yesi but most of the people no omusi no mo de ahye enra na teacher ni bi eneme kase ne nkwala o chomade no dodo no ba ko obi school mo de ababa we no no mo da so de beda bia eno nso ye disposable ones bi yeah fight yare no and I say we are just putting some on something
I never be gidi ye say nose mask na nya de a na say ye de say ye ho ye de say abrabo ase ye de nante te say da koba na ye de koba no enti na asase ne de na eye den ya ba ku mienu bi beto chima kakra na ye gusu a me ne wu na ye bode wuro Mr. Waras at TV so ti radio so sometimes me tie no dem pa Mr. Waras me won kran kra me te na Mr. Waras bode wuro no catch la manfo say
obakenkan
oh yes obe catch la manfo say no mo modi ya na mo che no smas no ema me ne wo so ye gusu a ye kan president ka asofofo ka so obi an che no smas no na ne baby a ha dwene ne se ne wo kan obi a obehye no dabako enami no ka say machine no smas enum ye shemika ho enum
wow
isan say the radio stations ni TV stations are me call ye ko more me party ho me ko kansempa e dey fa me party ho no me duru ha na me yi ato achine then the new one
was can na o se num no na the only scan no obehye ba ko na otwe
eno kosem ni say ye ntomade no na ya pamama na wusi na woto so a na wotu na woto so a na heat ni timina na uwie na wo sha anka ne de anka na mom se ye de bi surgical ones ya ye toto she de anka wo use no da ba ko na uwie ya no se wo de to that him
good
na eno so ye de ko ball last
right abuja wadwe nche no 02
amount from my ni so
good 0202668464 0202668464 faba na nyamre enkenkan fama ye nose mask no se ofroka se bara ofroka wo se upia wo se ko asora wo se no wo se ya da wo hene ura so dem ho a ehyew edu sa wo ye worshiper na nose mask no da wo hene let's be fair let's be frank to ourselves en so me bre o ha ye nyina ekobia yenim se duru se ye to nwomo a nose mask no na da ye he ye 2 year na e akate ya no is that how we have to use it ana debi so Wallace Mintio, nose mask.
Say Mike.
Say.
Nana Adudan Kufuado, president of Ghana. So compare last year. Yadi by how we can. Oh yeah, no, they fight COVID to getting to the end of last year. Beside me, as they getting to the end, I be seen on one ama. Yadi no pida.
On one ama no pida.
On one penny for so much my yadi no coffee. Or more actions and inactions can be and I'm a dear figure. I didn't know make answer. So in an answer to be dear true. Or no executive secretary to the president of Ghana. In here company for so much at the coffee one. Then Casanti be to account home power. On the 20th of December last year, Nana Danko Kufuado address say on my own COVID. or can say day, or can say beaches, pubs, nightclubs remain closed. This was 20th of December. Second, 27th of December 2020. Nana Asante Bediatu marries long-time girlfriend Femi Aditola. 20th of December, and what can say congregations near Maniamano, Emma Adin Mupida, in Tinise Wapani. They say Crasso was Wabani wedding.
By reception. Wedding reception.
Weddings are banned. Upon Kumasi, marriages are allowed, but weddings are banned.
No, wedding not you. Wedding no. Yeah, I saw them. Yeah. And I also bit work a wedding never came me. And to bit me and I saw them because I saw no own chair. Sorry. Name Muno. What we now acquire reception. And no, I didn't could be brave. No, and
Sir Mike, could go upon Kumasi. Marriages are allowed, but weddings are banned. One church Musa me a wedding na reception na
obetire say figure no na ye mo
one can figure bia na na do dan ko kan o church figure ni bibi
ayi na ma ayi no ayi part was twem na
weddings are banned na do say weddings are banned read it
yeah no na said it amambo ha say busa say e kwa sorry
after thought
yes
damage repair. Okay. You allow church at the service to go on. What is we are not sorry there.
Okay, no crowd.
I fry when I saw them there. My friend. Inconsistency is not awesome. And I could do upon damage repair. Damage repair is one for baby amba. Na men call at the Asante Bedia too. Nana Asante Bedia too, Executive Secretary to President Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo has tied the knot with his long-term sweetheart Femi Aditola. 26th of December, 20th, Nana do can say we know. 26th, and then the executive secretary, a year wedding. Next year. Though it was a private ceremony, the nuptials was reported to be attended by top government officials, socialites, and close associates of the couple. Top government officials. And then one said another Bekobi. Top government officials, so and one call side. Next year, the bride, Femi Aditola, is widely known as the owner of the famous Accra Beach Club Sandbox. She is a graduate of Wesley College 2006 and University of Ghana 2009, and qualified as a lawyer at the Ghana Law School in 2011. Last sentence. Sarah Mary Olefemi Aditola also serves on the board of the Ghana Prison Service. Alatani serves on the board of the Ghana Prison Service. Na nation to Olefemi Aditola.
No, I think the last week who can say I say
register obi wo agunadia a o ye voter oben adi toga yen ka so adi togo ni dia man
akrebi ana ne papa
mini madam fu bia
mini na we
akrebi a omo wo ne de
mini na we invest no e be pia
so ya nguna for na
ti ne du wayo but o Ghana ni
akrebi a omo de ne to obi
ebi so ya for na to obi
baby uncle baby you can make that point
Olefemi Aditola
obi wo ne de ne to obi
Enyama miru na make on 26th of December and we are wedding. Weddings were banned.
No. Uncle said at that time
COVID
weddings were not banned. Please.
What's it?
Debbie.
No.
Huh? What's that?
Debbie.
No.
20th December no can you?
20th December na wedding in church.
Oh God.
Na wedding in church. Debbie. Uncle ni in church.
Sawalas.
Ni in church.
Sawalas. It's fidie so.
Oh yeah, what did you saw a reception? Reception no any gathering.
Uncle obi nya COVID ni bi o.
Omampani right from say obi o ma kwama yeah registration no. Or easy restrictions no. So where the na ekoso ye ekoso
beaches, pubs, cinemas, nightclubs, ceremonies remain closed. Ceremonies wedding right there. Hey there. No netino. Oh yeah, wedding here. Top government at the bare moon. High. Akufo-Addo ordered beaches to be closed, but his in-laws Sandbox hosted activate concept A+, make I say 31st December 2020. The high. President Kufuor on 20th December 2020 maintained the directive that cinemas, pubs, and beaches will remain closed as part of restrictions adopted to contain the coronavirus. He made this statement during his 20th address to the nation on measures instituted by the government to fight COVID-19. 20th December.
That's true.
However, 1 week later, 27th of December, 28 December 2020, Sandbox Beach and Club, owned by the wife of his cousin and secretary, Nana Santibediatu Sarah Olefemi Aditola, hosted Davido and Stonebwoy Activate concert with little regard for COVID-19. Honestly. Okay. All big clubs were banned. You have to tune in. Okay. Sawe Sandbox, no, it was la. Yeah. On 28th of December, you are open na oye concert.
Angolas, one natural week.
Fred, Fred,
oh, baby,
yes, I didn't open at the, you don't need a source to. Fred Aditola Olefemi, Nebusan said, 28th of December, now the near friend of Sandbox at the beach club now at the Wemye. Fred Nebusan, Fred Davido, Nebusan said on that date, no, one quiet program, it was Sandbox Hotel or Fred Nebusan. But the source anyway is my news GH.
Okay.
Any. One way, Sir Mike, 27th of January 2021, last week, yeah. COVID-19 kills Akufo-Addo's in-law, Raymond Amankwa. Raymond Amankwa, whose life and alleged business activities featured prominently in Nana Akufo-Addo's quest to become president, has died. He is said to have died in Mozambique, where he had been residing since he was released from jail about 6 years ago. That is not my interest for now. Honey, or say. Meanwhile, there are claims that a party held for President Akufo-Addo by Bamti at the latter's house to mark his senior brother's second term in office has become their Waterloo, with many of the attendees hospitalized with COVID-19. So far, Bamti Akufo-Addo and his wife, Irene, are mentioned to be in the intensive care unit of the University of Ghana Medical Center at Legon in Accra. There are reports that about 40 people who attended the presidential party are in hospital. Among them is a lady said to be the mother of Jean Mensah. The same story, Ena Harunata, also Odia Tuga Ewaha. The same, I don't know, Harunata, Zambeka Harunata. Harunata is the first editor of The Statesman, MP4 at the 1992-1993. Was say, Jean Mensah's mother catches COVID-19 from Pres Akufo-Addo's victory party, Haruna Atta. Thursday, 4th February. Yeah. A statement from respected veteran journalists and diplomats. Ambassador Haruna Atta has opened the window COVID-19 secrets that the Akufo-Addo Jubilee House may be keeping away from Ghanaians. Or say, the aging mother of the controversial electoral commissioner allegedly contracted the disease from a lavish victory party that Akufo-Addo had thrown for close family and friends after he has been declared a winner of the December 2020 presidential election. The party, per the parody by Ambassador Haruna Atta, had been a lavish, wicked indulgence where the finest of edibles and drinkables were served with Mrs. Jean Mensah's mother as a guest of honor. So, until I say, one more is almost ma saya di Yesusano. One more crown is so ijagum.
Okay.
Okay, Haruna Atta dena.
Yes, from now.
Ambassador Haruna Atta, who captured the scandal in another compelling read ends by demanding answers from the president and his government about his role in the current spread of the deadly virus, which has killed this. Or can say, a drew baby no almost say, why not they again a bar at the party as now the Omo can say, when you cry or design government or more, my friend said, Rebecca Kufuor say, you know, or no normally question. So, was say, according to him, Rumors that have been made from the coronavirus infection spree of a victory party include the shocking revelation from friends and former associates that up to 80 of the party goers are down with the virus. And to Amamukoeno, 80 enyebia. Nana omunim until the symptoms started to show up. Said you I see a spread. Initially, almost only a corner or
say your money in your day. I put to be hard by my age. Call Yarena Bay Kunipa.
See, Maminka has what my NFS. For example, originally I heard 40 people have been infected by now. I hear 80 and above. I also hear that the poor fashion designer who did the clothes for the Hollywood wives was suspected as the possible culprit. But when he was tested, the results were negative. Another rumor points in the direction of a relation who flew in from Mozambique, who flew in from Mozambique and has since died on returning to his place of abode in the Mozambique capital. Ghanaians deserve to know the truth. International don't quite good. Yes, that's it. Wuna esesa wo hwe masadi eye a coffin. Last year you did marvelous work. Now can we 20th of December oboye koko say ade no enko imu peda kakra ye hwe yiem 19th of January and now year rolling say yi no bani obebani your friend say a year and now year rolling say wo mo ye gu ho nyina ka o chena bebre next week 23rd yeah original party chairman chairman bimpe any other say ye omu die nyina dakope wabo wenu nyina egu unim so obegbagu ena odi mirika ye rolling say yi anwonani ayeye na yi ena akofa nipa free kumawu eko omo ne koye cultural display kumawu fo anwonafo ye wo mayiya kumawu fo ne koye cultural display uye wie ya di na otwe mi no o se matum yenye adi o kase yenhwe ne yenye wi asori o se yenye wi na kai mo ye tena 6 no ye no 22 asisi wasade aba 33 44 aso ono so ebo no nsia okay brabe gina ji run about okay no nsia then ya na ekoso ji run about ayalolo bus be free kajetia ekwagu akwa hwe nipa omugusa baso nipa pa omuguma amafofo aso if you have a say that's evil because omunyaka but at the same time as you are saying say that's evil no sir distancing sooner okay right sir walas review and motene kan in fact wa fam learning na on reading document actually said na da wo boado ne close associate ako meeting and I say omakoye party akọ ware ama covid-19 no omo anya bi ma eno ntikra na ebia Ghana no za de no ekoso enne de ekoso e the Supreme Court na enyagro 32 paragraphs and Rojo Joseph Metal Nunu the third we because a witness at the margin of the Mahama at the baye but na ko ton papa senke ye bo do na tugu 23 etugu na eka be 23 de otifiri eka be 9 by court no ko ye no say there be on between about 4 5 6 7 and 18 and egu enum and omo atumi about to go yenkotie the lawyers obra omo wie ya omo summon up at the actual Nigeria for ne ba ebenyamre na ye di ho enkomo first NPP lawyers the omo edituja upon kroma.
Colleagues, good afternoon. It's been a long day in court and we have an opportunity to share with you a few remarks from our side as we wind down today's activities. As I mentioned, it's been long, but it's been a necessary exercise of going through some objections and then hearing the responses and having the court make a determination of what it would allow and what it would not allow in the witness statement. Let me start by recapping where we are in this trial and why we are here. The petitioner, Mr. John Dramani Mahama, former President of the Republic, invoked the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, among other things, to say that based on the data contained in the declaration of the first respondent and the second respondent being declared as president elect of the Republic of Ghana, no candidate will obtain more than 50% of the valid votes cast, as required by Article 63(3). The petition also essentially makes the argument that the threshold of Article 63(3) was not met, and that the declaration was in violation of Article 63(3). Goes on further to say that there were errors and mistakes and other things which will materially affect this election, and outlined 5 witnesses who would help adduce evidence to prove same. We all witnessed Mr. Johnson Asiedun Ketia come into the witness box and give testimony, and I think the jury is out on whether or not he was able to establish any of these things. And then we had Dr. Kwesa White take the witness box and mostly lead evidence to the effect that they considered that they were deceived by the EC chair to leave the strong room when the national or the presidential final results were being collated. Indeed, the word he used was that he was instructed, and subsequently he admitted that he cannot be instructed by the EC chair. Now, today, the petitioner introduced a 3rd witness, Mr. Rojo Metil Nunu, who was one of those 2 in the strong room, who is the one that we were all expecting would take the witness box initially. And there were a number of paragraphs that he had outlined that he wanted to adduce before the court, some of which we objected to. In the end, the court upheld what we believe are some of the most substantial ones, paragraphs 4, 5, 6, 7, and 18. The court upheld those ones and struck it out. On Monday, we are coming in for cross-examination. Like they say, it's one thing putting something before the court, it's another thing defending it when it comes to cross-examination. And so, counsel on our side, and we believe counsel on the side of the first respondent, look forward to an opportunity on Monday to now put the paragraphs that have been admitted in Rojo's witness statement to the test under cross-examination. Essentially, that is what has happened today, as I'm sure you are aware. We are happy that finally Rojo will be in the witness box so that some very important questions can be put to him, and the bench or the court can take judicial notice of whether or not those answers to those questions and those arguments that are being proffered go in any way to help deal with the issues before the court. And as I wrap up, let me take you through the issue. Sometimes when you follow the long conversations, you forget what the court is trying to answer. The court is answering 1 question of law, 3 questions of fact, and 1 question of law that arises as a result of a...
say, and then you see our court in Etiawa. Anka ene enanka ye dancing ya otosomiensa anka oba begina adekan wakasa muhu se enam nsemsem binti anka no fa abefu fidie so na obia ahwe no TV so nanso eye yenuanom a ewo eye nana kufuado ne lawyers esoro gina ho se ensem na ye dance dini no ode abetu dwa no ensem bebre wo mo mpesi yi firimu tise mrebi se ne omo ye no se ensem omo ka nanu nso a eye Dr. Kwesa White ba no wo mo anomo kan se Dr. Kwesa White no no na oni isi kasa ye nti awo senka ne oni isi kasa ne na eba sese ne oni isi kasa ne ankasa aba nso a mo so ne nsem na ode ba no eye eduasa miensa no omayi nkom pese yi eye eduonu miensa firimu eye eduasa mienu kom pese nke yi eduasa miensa firimu 23 na nso ko wie tire no Supreme Court say emu enum pe en obeye firimu timinimo ka say 32 no a ye de baaye no emu enum epe en be firi so nti asamo ye de baaye ni na ne dodo na nkasa ejina ne nanso a enye se we ntinyame ya dom na doade ye ba enne ye nipa no be wura daka mu na ne wo se o ka kire amanfo no waka kire amanfo imidamase say and then you see our court in Etiawa. Anka ene enanka ye dancing ya otosomiensa anka oba begina adekan wakasa muhu se enam nsemsem binti anke no fa abefu fidie so na obi a ahwe no TV so nanso eye yenuanom a ewo eye Nana Akufo-Addo ne lawyers.
All right, yes, I am Makwaba and Famra Sinopi live on Kumawood Television 0202668464 0202668464 Fabra na enyamra nkan from our Facebook so I drop enyamre akenkan etumi e dey amount. So all in all ene na I was Rojo Joseph Metal Nunu ono na oka Dr. Pastor White ho na omukọ strong room EC Collection Center no eho na da unse Pastor White ba no nsemi wo ka say age say Rojo mum na betumi ayi anu ye fi say Rojo na ewo ho eno nti na yesi Rojo ho mfa no de enso court na hye ya ne magu akwan Rojo ewo ne fie ana wo ba bi oje ne ho ayarehwe na virtually on the network so no one Ghana for AD and Komona on also the witness statement na aba na the other call no 32 paragraphs and I said 32 points a what chire mu so no den region kra no ho no e ba ye na ye nsan ye oh the no collection center on the was sign no one sign and e ba ye no wono no o sign we no so said o no kra nsan o report ye Eastern region so they see ye other place we o ha o man sign isi no maame Charlotte se ejimensa ena soma ono se onko na onka nche John Dramani Mahama se ono ne enkomo na before kura na obesoma no odi ka kache ne se there has been a meeting na Peace Council ene John Dramani Mahama aye meeting nti onko no ngokoto aso na bi ho monti ase no omonto ase out with obema no the friend on the police escort na motorcade need na nim se be meeting akwa bantem omo ekro no na most of the regions we okra no munya nsati nwie na from 13 no omunya entwetwe bibia ngu so kora na kyerese aba no enche be be declare okoba ye na omukọ ye na omoba no ano na omte say good afternoon, good evening fellow Ghanaians. Let me congratulate all of you, the media, the observers or whatever, and now I can declare that President Akufo-Addo has won the elections. No MPP lawyer for no lawyer ko tan papa so yi enipa be we yin sam no be adunu mi ensa efrimu so hunu say na wasan ke efrimu hu hia court no say yin enum efrim de aka no ye begina da kam na nyame adoma da eye adwada esam no ento aso so walas
yeah
tani na maka ndin so nko
ni nya maka ndin that's it
yes thank you
Supreme Court ni ensensama yedi duba bia ya na enika kanisa se pesa white ekojina adaka na ide tuna die justice ni ba ko ebusa no and say o se oye a lecturer at the university na dey tin na wo ba one says Supreme Court judge ubusa sa adintin one says oye lecturer at the university e je say wo court so says we efa asema ye di no ho be siuta one say so say siuta what bearing does it have on the court case and one say siuta e dey bearing na wo ho a o busa say adintina o say if you are if you say you are a university lecturer, why didn't you dress in suit? Okay, sir, na chikata say, my lord, where the enkama will be granted. Ferry and you so bebusa sensa. Inti jaika. So one way you know cross examination muano and na pesa white can say. Omo wa omo eye we na no na omo say results be a free regions be ba no omo cross check ye no de omo no nya no ene de yisi no e de ama omo no e ba pira nti omo ka kire electoral commission and say we say no omo notice so ka sa no ene electoral commission no ka kire ne say ene sa di no ye complain wo ho no Uncle John Dramani Mahama was soon almost on my see my name was soon. Wonko can't say na or moka. Wonko catch na. Obey invited John Dramani Mahama, no Peace Council representatives and the National House of Tea representatives ne other party agents no no mu nyina transit no ma trash out those problems no ansana or the results no atuda also kan we chen na jawoda na se and ofre ni nua wodo metenu no and wo mienu e free e ho no omokoye no omonko no wo laptops o man franco o mo de car mienu ne koye ono no de e na rojo de o mo de car ba ko ne koye no mu ja ba ko ho because na akutampa oni judges no were trying to create the impression say wo mo an the call on their own na nye obi na ka chere so wo nko mahama ho si ye nye ko wo ran ke kwa ke beja laptop ho ke kwa ke beja ye car ho ntini ye nya na call on our own afi na judges yi ba constant push no o je say obusa ne nsem a according to chikata no emfata se obusa eni say adentina John Dramani Mahama na demo call se mun kusi na nem na mon hwese nema nyina nkoso yi na mo akọje instruction free electoral commissioner ho na mo mienu nyina free e ho no mo eja adwuma e ka se mo maye no enti mu na mo anya mo adwuma yi na adenti na mo ama enipa ba ko anka chiri na ba ko anko e ho na pesa white ka je ne se ubusa sakra na che je officer o kan ne se electoral commissioner no onye no kwafo because e mienu free ho a
e was already open
na ye de ope ba enke ye wo ho de a enko ntimi nye de oyeye no na je se electoral commissioner ngo ugu no ho fi e ho na chikata ebem no ka se de ubusa busa no ehia trese se mi wo ho for John Dramani Mahama ni aka kire me se mi nko kan kire John sei ni na me ka kire ni wi a ye ni nyina beba na ma free parties ni nyina na ma solve sa problem na me kwa se John adwuma na me ye na wono kura ubusa no efa asama ye kan efa de atima na wo election petition ya nti ja no ma wonka na se onu achi no o mo bobo ya ma e ko si se o se o ma sin sign from 13 we emra o munim se ehun ade problem bi wo ho and also yes sign all right baby wo ho a yes sign wie ye ansan ye hunu se ehun atochima because baby no can say we signed is it the Asante region from 13 show Asante region results no in error just say ye hu yes sign wie no na just say ye hunu se bibi atochima e wo ho almost say what the best woman can say when you sign that job dia to the yebusan say no I
say western north so no
western north
the you know agent na sign
good
but no sign
good and no can say yebusa say me teacher me math teacher na ma the question egu ho na ma throw 1 + 1 1 + 1 ye 2 na akoda bia ko throw 1 + 1 ye 3 me mark no my mark akoda no correct later and ma hunu say oh I made a mistake any say me correct any say me tino in the same way no me hu my end also as having accepted the thing but the change me hu say any senka me ye me hu say there was an error committed nature say my sign all right there but a hu to chima and because of that no we can now accept it a group of so mo busa ne say den o witness stated mu no o di say mu say in the Asante region o mo di votes no mako 390,000 and at the can and now dan kwa kufuado votes are unya no I just say the votes not been padded na dia na walk on no say I no correct yes Asante region 1 all right but the chair san ye hunu say 390,000 bi the account ho emra na any set account in that pink Sydney Asante region now Danko Kufuor is supposed to have got 1.7 something. But 390,000 account, duty free more about 1.4 something. So, and Akutampa, a day result sheet be a bass, shall we if we Asante Achim South. Now, Asante Achim South, Osha, your divorce will be a car, John Dramani Mahama, and your debut so can, Nanado Danko Kufuor. Ono see dunketia na omubusa no say ade na odi ato so no minhunu say ya tro say both of them have been pardoned bibia no ho ekresa judges no so hwe o say ehunu bibia sa and o say pink seat near the ama wo de hwe so ubehunu say anado dankwade no ya pegem na your friend say John Dramani Muhammad yan ya pegem wa asante achimsaw na I say dun katie ka say nipa mienu si akan mat say o de ma omo o de 10,000 ka ba ko de ho na de 200 ka another ba ko de ho a o se we nya 2 me de 200 ama we me de 10,000 ama we nti ni say o nya ko nya 200 no o ka no de no ho bibia na is that what you are saying? So he was saying say in some of the places
okay
Yedibia kan Mahama de ho Yedibia kan Akufo-Addo de ho but the idea kan Akufo-Addo de ho ye boom
okay
and the idea kan Mahama de ho ye nwaa bi into Ofa Asante region na for example 390,000 votes
okay mo kan nyina bo mu no sen na ekokan Akufo-Addo ho a totality o man no no a ma no etimi win elections no
si e kan nyina bom de ekokan Akufo-Addo de ho san kokan de Akufo-Addo de say pink seat na e wo ye nsem yentimi nhunu se eye no correct trodo pink seat sa na say enya no correct
okay
enti electoral commissioner no court no ense no na won fa all the pink seats e wo ni nsem wo de declare no
and no court anyantum
court anyantum na very interestingly 2013 sa de year bi e bai ne bai no unim ye your friend say justice Doche e kan ye mama in kan che wo ha
na usi mama
o say
wow
this is what ente Kumawood TV e wo ha se sie ya me ka se sie muntie me yi o Kumawood TV na mo se sie muntie de me kan o say this is what Justice Doche JSC had to say in 2013 election petition ruling on interrogatory specifically. The ruling on a motion to produce document for inspection and discoveries. For purpose of clarification, these are what the petitions apply for to inspect. 1. The results collation form for all the 275 for the presidential results. On ani ebusano. Na tie die woka. Omo bogui. But Oma Adibiwa also he said, as a matter of fact, I am of the considered opinion that in future, all presidential election petition hearings, the Electoral Commission should be mandated to produce for inspection all the documents being contested by the petition.
But that is not Bogunti. Yes, a marriage maybe.
The Omokan of 2013, Ena Ene, Omo Emfa Enyaduma. Okay. In 2000, right. It appears, sir, Bibia de Becobia, no more Bogu. Bibia de Becobia, no more Bogu. And Henry Tabrew. Or can last week say, it appears, sir, I didn't yet predetermine.
Okay. Another young cohort, the Okan and then Lucas because former Attorney General asset, and yes, Emrana Yejuma, let the law work. Mamma, and nations. Nana, yes, sir. Roger Metanunu said, right from 92, Wabua NDC or strong group, who be that. Oni Jane Mensa aye adwuma ewo aye oginedi Jane between the back between offer say this time there he was misled. Why should the electoral commissioner do that?
Oheneba asem no court na ye tete ho kakra Oheneba elections ya to no 2020 yes elections are won at the polling station.
I don't agree to that.
Oh, I didn't see. The polling station I to abano. Political party be our representative. Ewo. Ye wi so a, ye nyina so ye be sign pink sheet. Ewo. Baby ye to abana. About why ye to ye. Maybe constituency or for curriculum constituency. Many one honorable FF. Any minianum ni bi. Ye dia ni say ye chi polling stations one ye who say ye representatives no omo ho ye to abadi wie ye so no ye hwe say ye representatives no omo sign pin sheet no omo sign pin sheet no so no we are the people ye gigi pin sheet no ye the calculation center NDC for no mo hobby omo so gigi omo de MPP ye jiji ye de the other political parties omo jiji omo de ye di ko collection center no ye gina collection center ho am ye hu se omo keka niam ni na ye den esie ni na usi security for ni ya ye brofo ya ye kan ye si due diligent esese wo ye ni da ho e wo bibi a wo yem na nienti a make sa ni se ye wura pesa white any Rejo omo kan asem bi say ye wo na maame ne soma yen.
So there has been a meeting between the Peace Council and the petitioner John Romani Mahama. Na ono kwa no Rojo no enye aware.
Ohene ba. Obi asoma wo say kohwe made mane. Na o say me wo ho na obi ka kire me say me mra na wo soma me. Internet say nipa na odi nkan ka say kontina ho na kohwe made no mame no. Na what did he hammer?
Was mama kono ho.
Ohene me bacho be ba. Enembre ya communication. Eye adwuma yi. Mate. Se wo so wo hia me se me ne nka asema. Asem kron ka kire me na me fa telephone friend na me ne nka. So that you will be there. You don't move.
But the fact that say, how na am a problem no.
You don't move.
I've been hearing some people make it that way no. Say na o no there. No say BCSC. Meanwhile, it is mandatory say. You may there selector commission and say you two about ombo results no genuinely emfamaye.
Oheba. Ni mo manunsi. Ni e me kan say. Me constituency of Forikrom. Ye gigi pink sheet no. Say ye nipa mienu na ye nya e bia be 10 police stations. There's so many police stations in ya chichem. Say nipa mienu mo mfa 10. Another nipa mienu mfa 10. Ye nipa mienu me kai ahomaso electoral area. Honorable Assemblyman, presiding member of Forikrom municipal. Mini ni mienu na ye gigi pink sheet. Ewo 10 police stations. Do you know why? Mini ano odu police station where no afre me na me wa ha. Na be ka me ho. Mi so mi do police station na my friend say me wa ha nti be ka me ho. Won saka, o say me saka me yindo so. Mi so me saka me yindo so. Ya nko baby ya o. Ya ma obi ansoma yen. Ya ma obi anka nkire ye say ye nko mransa ya begi pink sheet. Ye wo representative mienu e wo police station MPP for ni ye wo nipa mienu wo police stations. So ye common time ye ni omo edi nkomo ye tra ho ma de san ye e ma ye koje ye pink sheet and ye di collection center enti ni me case wait to say
we my na fibia by in the year 2012 mu ye bi but mu amu se mu nkro fam do mu ko police stations no edi mi hwa mu de kokot
enunti na me case eni se pesa white ni Uncle Rojorunu metalunu e kasa no so omodi yewura joma ma hwamo enti e wo so omoji tum se omo so omodi ni hwamo ba betumi so aba se omo hwe collection na no mu so ade we emwaye enti ene ya ye mfiri ho ne ye passem bi na ye nkan hye ho it can be possible omo ahwe ye ya so emwaye na mame nka se bi wa ha na me nka kiro se media e ma na Uncle kasa na o kan se pesa white na judge ne ba ko bi san say na wan fa court ama ho no tension ba e court them tension ba e hum to me ka asem bi a e ma nipa ne tension no e kofom ye tattoo ye papa tattoo say drew baby cross judges ne person mu ko break na mo ne ade ne hwa ye sere ye kakra na je say o calm down tension na wo a wo gina daka mu kra no ehu embo na wo feel bad enti no de ade a court etesi na ne ye kan say empenifu mienu omuti sei na se mutumi ka say electoral commission suma yen enti ye jaye niama ho na ekoye enu so betinya ye bosrem ka metimi a sede ja me constitution ya to ha na mako
okay na me bia o manentum
na free hako me free hako me so me free Kumawood no kwa me ja me constitution ni to ho
ba na wadwane ko
na me ko
0205
it's part of
61
almost about
6684
okay ba
62
insecurity
hello good evening
insecurity every individual is a potential criminal.
Hello, good evening.
We have your free.
You mentioned the one on your board. You are a master criminal.
We have your free.
You are a baby and could see our central region.
Of a you.
You mean you are a very shaming. Oh, we tell Papa and this is not to be said.
That's it. Hold on, come by. The last word I'm throwing.
Okay, you know, say, hello, good evening.
Say, Mike, Mamma Trust now.
Hello, good evening.
Master Nisi. Say, Mike, Obim by Mamma Trust and Nancy. Say, Mike,
hello, good evening.
Say, my said that, yes, I'm me person me right no M1.
Good evening. Dear, free. Who was so Casa? Yet, you Casa.
If I don't want to present the new maybe after election time, Omo boss was Omandana, mention no smart, you may be saying some protected government. And now election time, but I don't know t-shirt, but I don't think no smart mobile protected one.
It's a baby.
So, as I am between more than I MPP, NDC, PhD, one woman, I know they are but we get protected and Manama, and our cost will be. We have 12 million mobile card of book of their two, with 3 years. After the arena, and my lesson can be a little one I'm paying.
Okay. Yanasi. Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening. Meet you on our TV. Hello, good evening.
Hello,
good evening. We are free. Open we are free. When you're ready. Wait, you are free 0202 668461 668462. Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center. Or how be a Pasibra? Na nyame mfa no so emfa enyo. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Obani, good evening.
Hi.
Good evening, free. Bono East Kwame Danso yentio.
I program now Kumawood na
Who was so that Akasa?
Nothing in I said. I usually start the fight in the world. Who don't put it to the right you can see any amount of the wood engine. Now, 24 million more. That you can see a double. Now, and actually, no electoral commission as Mamu. And it's a movie electoral commission as Mamu. I'm mostly the strong as here. I can add it for about the NDC, but you don't like your movie.
Okay. Yes, so get us see. Our real and why thing. Ubias see can be so. Madam Mohammed Sebra. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Bacha, what would you now so Emwajo? Okay, when you know, for Emra. Won't be any attack at war. Obama Lambepo. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Abani Majoy.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We have free.
Yentio. Hello.
Abani kasa yetio.
Kufu do krom kwa bi.
Too bad. Abani kasa yetio. Hello. Ebiana wahaw bi ene da so etwere ene ha onipa bi a bra na Mala Muhammad emwa. Hello, good evening. Ma come there Paul. Good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, abanu dia be akasa free me minti o. Ugu kasa heti o.
No, I don't talk to me. I don't America is yeah. Yeah, what to do, yeah. And then we go for the winner, Mama, I don't go. I'm going for yourself.
Kuku. I'm the cook going to be ending so. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Abani, udi be free. Kofi entio. Kofi entio. Kofi kasa bi entio why? Kofi entio kasa. Kofi entio.
Mine gonna be there kwase. We go do why.
NDC program. If you only need to tell my from so at the Sabia and from John or Tina Pablo. I'm now. It's out there and yet I'm saying that. Or more and I'm about so. Or what did you want to agree? What we mean, as you are not study, it is here. So now who could you my say, Ama, Article now what will be up so much
Okay, last caller. Good evening. Good evening, free.
What the question?
Rock was free.
Hello?
But no free.
The first reading, so
whom you
the area of the white not today. Maybe I did create so called PM question. So we are so many answers. We are not pending will represent anything. Strong room not to be as man.
Too bad. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
The building the first talk on it.
Yet, you ray.
The American economy. When there is the community, therefore, here I got one all coming. The home core of the year after the year, and the after and you go too far. The father, when the damage is to see about correctly, all the past are the father, who will go a political party with that and then let's say you want to call
okay.
And some of them now, they can't open their little to there at the beginning.
Okay.
You are trying to be a class in you.
Right. Okay. Okay. And that, right. Okay, abani yanasi. Okay, yanasi. Yanfa frefo no isi ha. Nyame aduma adwada koto pon a yenso abetenase. Ona yekopum no isi ha na etimi edi nkobo. Mala Muhammad sebra. Kwa atibi esikafo mantem na mala mo. Wa ha obi a wa ware mu nsem opa adwuma akwantuo obi ede ekwan bi so eje oyere ojo asase anase awo na emma ahokyere na wabrabo so amara sebra na omo ekyere na hawo busuani bi afa ne bra hepatitis diabetes na afi yare bi ha obi ano malam so ba na benam no so atumi about eastern region ko atbi na malam Muhammad owo 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 udu kwawu a Unity FM odi ko atbi udu ho a Unity FM ko asemi ko malam ho we ra number na modi na ekoho na omuntimi enche okwan malam Muhammad wasebra na onyame mfa no so entumi emfanyo teacher Jan wo Joso was it good evening? I passionate appeal to civil organizations, churches, someone supply nose masks and farmer addition for no do one any nose masks. Was it please good evening? I really enjoyed your show. May the good Lord bless you, Mr. Mahama. Okay. And I'm a person of Ninado Joseph Koko and Odi Ifria Odi Abba. Okay. We say, therefore, as the case in the Supreme Court of Ghana, God himself is going to expose the truth of this issue. It's a good evening, Sir Mike. I do support the leader of parliament for a strong warning to the MPs. Okay, for her and free out to me at the Abba. Now, yeah, sorry, now feed your into me and to us. My daughter on 9 cooking with Sia, now feed it to me and I'm ready as simple. You caught the proper 5 seconds. I brought some of you.
Made us be. Near me can na a tearful teeny nanny say. A year then ye be say you say don't get yes, say namunyaye. What's the meaning? You were Professor White. Say namunyaye. What's the meaning? Okay. And na sisi ye kase ye day. A year day.
So what else? You caught
Sir Mike. 4 moments declare results from 13 moments declare copy. Signed by Jim Mensa. Time 5 p.m. Yet he had about 6 and a mammy started your way. Why enter as a 5? Any part 12 normal contest,
right? Sir Wallace, have a view, Ashanti Regional Administrator for the NDC, and then Nana Agreation, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member of the NPP, and Otio Moka, meeting the Michael, Nana Adumako, God willing, Monday 46, Ibisia, Nafi, Etminiam Red, let me SNP. On behalf of the entire crew, the fantastic, fine ladies, and Afi, the cameraman, Afru, my programs manager, Ochi Nozo, director, Samuel Kwabena Dako, and Afi, producer, Ben Bernard Ade, the producer, Sam Dakus, Yamia Duma, next week, Ibisia. John Huye, COVID is real. Take care of yourself. Good night.
Debi ayana me wade bi ayana me kase me malam anaso for comfort bi kase wo mbeke wa brabo mbeke wo shebrem mbeke wo dachi e bi ni wi ase da apart from me nyame ya me soma e bo bit me ka tira wo say e se be gafra o yabo dua mbe dani ama ye wo dua bo no different ya ko papa ma ya tamfo enti sa solid na esi ho no oko to collection 100 billion no bi to bob ko sha solid dan ho e bright ma atnata fo na do fo dia ono wa shira che wa ko to collection 1 billion ye hwe twen no ye de wo ana se obi tumi ko fa
atwere yare no ye wone ma ne bi wo ho a ewabusunya no mo na ye kase ewabusunya ma nya se ewabusunya no da bi atese bi a wo be ba santeman mo anaka ma mu ha obi timi wo akola kete obadwene ho wonte ase because se wo kokoji motia ba fia awaso wo motia no so bi a me kase unwu ya wonim dia wo benya
sika to nsem anaase
sika bi ne ho to nsem anaase ya dwaman ni ya ni bere mama ba ko so aye friend ko man mu odu eastern region e kwawo ba bia ya wo ho TV so easter no wono ma na mete
atibie
aye 0245 77 18 01 0245 77 18